The ANCHER Electric Bike for Adults, featuring a peak power of 750W, is designed for a variety of riding experiences, from commuting to leisurely weekend rides. In this review, I'll delve into various aspects of the bike, including its design, performance, battery life, and overall value for money. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The ANCHER Electric Bike boasts a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that not only contributes to the bike's durability but also keeps the overall weight manageable. Weighing approximately 60 pounds, it strikes a balance between robustness and agility. The frame has a sleek, modern look with a matte finish, available in various colors to cater to different aesthetics. The 26-inch wheels come equipped with all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip whether you're riding on pavement, gravel, or dirt trails. The bike's aesthetic is complemented by thoughtful features such as an adjustable seat and handlebars. This adjustability allows riders of different heights to find a comfortable riding position, which is crucial for longer rides. The ergonomic design of the saddle also ensures that it remains comfortable, even on extended journeys. The inclusion of front and rear fenders is a practical touch, helping to keep mud and water splashes at bay, which is especially beneficial during wet weather. Performance-wise, the 750W motor is one of the standout features of the ANCHER electric bike. It delivers impressive acceleration and top speeds, reaching up to 28 miles per hour in ideal conditions. The bike also offers 3 levels of pedal assist, allowing riders to choose how much assistance they want from the motor. This versatility makes the bike suitable for various terrains and riding styles. Whether you prefer a leisurely ride or need to tackle steep hills, the ANCHER bike adapts to your needs seamlessly. One of the remarkable aspects of this electric bike is its battery. The 48V10 lithium-ion battery can be fully charged in around 3 hours, which is quite convenient for those who may want to quickly recharge between rides. It provides a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles, depending on the level of pedal assist used, rider weight, and terrain. This substantial range makes it suitable for longer commutes or all-day rides without the constant worry of running out of power. Additionally, the battery can be easily removed for convenient charging, allowing you to charge it indoors without bringing the entire bike inside. The ANCHER electric bike is also equipped with a responsive braking system, featuring both front and rear disc brakes. This ensures reliable stopping power in various weather conditions, providing an essential safety feature for riders. The bike's suspension system, which includes a front fork with shock absorption, significantly enhances ride comfort, especially over bumpy or uneven surfaces. You can feel confident navigating rougher paths, as the suspension absorbs jolts and vibrations. A noteworthy feature is the bike's integrated LED headlight and taillight, which enhance visibility during low-light conditions. This addition is particularly important for urban commuting, where visibility can be a concern. The bike also features a digital display that provides real-time information, including speed, distance traveled, battery level, and pedal assist mode. This feature is user-friendly and intuitive, allowing riders to easily monitor their performance and battery status. In terms of assembly, the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, which is a significant advantage for those who may not be mechanically inclined. The included instructions are clear and easy to follow, allowing most users to have the bike ready to ride in under an hour. However, some adjustments might be necessary for personal comfort, such as seat height and handlebar positioning. Price-wise, the ANCHER electric bike offers excellent value for the features provided. Competing with other electric bikes in a similar price range, it holds its own with robust performance and thoughtful design elements. While it may not have all the high-end features of premium models, it delivers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience that makes it accessible for most riders. In conclusion, the ANCHER electric bike for adults with a peak 750W